Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use MetaMask on your laptop. First, open your preferred web browser, such as Chrome or Firefox. Navigate to the official MetaMask website or your browser's extension store. Search for MetaMask and install the official extension. After installation, pin the MetaMask icon to your browser's toolbar. This makes accessing your wallet quick and convenient for all your decentralized applications. Now let's set up your wallet. Click the MetaMask icon and select Get Started. You can either create a new wallet or import an existing one using your secret recovery phrase. If creating a new one, you'll set a strong password. The most critical step is to write down your 12-word secret recovery phrase and store it in a very safe, offline location. Never share this phrase with anyone. With your wallet ready, it's time to add some funds. Copy your public wallet address, which starts with 0x, from the MetaMask interface. You can then send Ether or other compatible tokens to this address from a cryptocurrency exchange or another wallet. To send funds, click Send. Enter the recipient's address and amount, then review the gas fees. Confirm the transaction to complete the transfer. Finally, let's connect to decentralized applications. When you visit a D-app, look for a Connect Wallet button. Click it, and MetaMask will prompt you to approve the connection. Always double-check the D-app's URL to ensure it's legitimate. Before confirming any transaction, carefully review all the details presented by MetaMask. For enhanced security, remember to lock your wallet or log out when you're finished using it.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.